What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right to it. As you can see, we finished up the whole Nismo kit on the Z. I put the side skirts on and the Nismo bumper. I completely forgot that I did say I was gonna do a install video on the side skirts, and I didn't do that. I picked up this Nismo bumper. It does have damage on one of the tabs, which I'll be getting fixed anyways, because I do have a plastic welder, so that'll be getting fixed. And yeah, you guys see all that white stuff? Crap. That's all like toothpaste. So what I did to install the side skirts was I took off the hardware. I put toothpaste on each hole. I pretty much set it up on the side skirt and marked it with the toothpaste, and I just drilled it out, and yeah, easy. Let me show you guys the damage on the bumper. This right here. So I do have the piece that goes on there, so I'm gonna get that welded. Hold up, guys, I'm being interrupted right now. Alright, guys, I was interrupted, so I forgot what I said last, but yeah, that's how I install the side skirts. I showed you guys the damage on the bumper, and I also installed the Brembos. You can see I was also supposed to do a video on that. Friggin' didn't do it. That oh yeah, the rear Brembos is loose because I thought that the rear bolts from a stock caliper worked on the Brembos, but they were different. So the guy that I gave the shell to is giving me those bolts back, because I did leave him on the car. So but he's on a trip right now, so I'm just waiting for him to be back so I can pick that up and bolt up the rear. So yeah, I didn't know that part. So yeah. But yeah, the Brembos is a pretty easy install, especially the front. The back, you just gotta cut the, how you call it, the brake dust shield thing. Cut it out, because obviously the big rotor won't fit. And that's pretty much it, guys. Also, I'm picking up a HR motor this weekend, so I will be getting that motor this weekend. I was supposed to get it last weekend, but the guy couldn't make it, so yeah, he's coming this Saturday to drop it off. And this car will have an HR motor. So yeah, after that, just get a tranny, get the harness sent out, and this car will be running. I'm not in a rush to get it running, but I do want it running already, but I'm not in a rush. As I said, I will probably also be getting it wrapped. I haven't decided on which color yet, but it will most likely be getting wrapped, not painted. So tell me what you guys think. Nismo kit is complete. Also, when I get the new motor this weekend, I'll be doing a whole, like, I'm gonna refresh it. I'm gonna buy the whole, like, timing kit that Z1 sells for like 400 bucks. It brings like a new chain, tensioners. I'm pretty sure it brings the galley gaskets as well. So I'll be doing all that new, and just a new water pump, you know. Might as well do all that. And I'm getting a great deal on that motor, so yeah, I have to. So yeah, guys, just a little update on the project, HR swap. And I'm also gonna be ordering a hood. I am not gonna put a stock HR hood. I'm gonna be ordering a pretty nice hood. So yeah, guys, it looks good. I'll see you guys in the next video.